Yes, so the first part of the process is to meet with the client and assess their site. There is two products, a stationary or floating boathouse. They both have their benefits. Floating boathouses, we can build a complete floating steel tube dock with a complete either boat port or boathouse. Floating docks and floating boathouses don't require a permit from the CRCA. They would still need to comply with municipal zoning requirements for size, length, and width. For floating product, the docks are completely manufactured in a controlled environment in our shop. They're assembled at our site in the water, and even the boathouse, if it's going to be on the Great Lakes system, can be completely constructed on the dock at our site and towed to the homeowner's location and the anchors installed, which is a very simple process, a day or two on site. The key benefit I'd say to the stationary one is it's more flexible if you want to add boat lifts and different loads to the structure. We can design those all into it, and we can even design for future larger boats. Stationary boathouses can be as simple as a straight hip roof with vinyl siding, or they can get elaborate as ones you've seen in our videos with massive dormers and cedar shake and lots of architecture that matches their on-land house. When you go into a stationary boathouse or docks project, it definitely requires permits from the CRCA. The boathouse would almost always require the permits from the municipality and fall under the Ontario Building Code Act, so for inspections and so on. With a stationary, there's some prefabrication work that's done in the shop, but there's a lot of site work happens. The pilings go in, then the steel frame goes in, then concrete deck, and then you start building the boathouse, which is very similar to building a house. You start with frame walls, windows, roof, trusses, siding, and so on. And the finishing details are unlimited. Some boathouses we finished the entire interior in tongue and groove pine and stain. There's lots and lots of options.